In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on Pocket Option. We'll start right from the beginning so nothing feels confusing. First, log into your Pocket Option account using your current credentials. Take a moment to ensure you're on the official site or the official app and that you're entering your details in a secure place. This keeps your account safe as you move through the process. Once you're in, head to your profile or settings area. You'll usually find this by tapping or clicking the small avatar or profile icon at the top of the screen. On some layouts, it may appear within a main menu, but the icon at the top is the most common route. Opening your profile or settings gives you access to all the controls you need to manage your account. Inside settings, look for the security section. This is where Pocket Option keeps tools related to protecting your account. It might be labeled Security or show a lock icon, and it's the place designed for password updates and related safety features. Open that section to continue. Next, select Change Password. This action brings up the fields you'll need to complete. You'll see 3 boxes: your current password, your new password, and a confirmation of your new password. Start by typing your current password carefully. Then choose a new password that's strong, unique, and hard to guess. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other accounts. In the confirmation field, re-enter the new password exactly the same way. If these 2 entries don't match character for character, the system will ask you to try again, so double-check for capitalization and any symbols. When everything looks correct, save the changes. The platform will process your update and, in most cases, display a confirmation that the password has been successfully changed. From this point forward, your login password is updated, and the new one you just set becomes the key to accessing your account. A couple of quick tips to make this stick. Consider storing your new password in a reputable password manager so you don't forget it, and avoid sharing it with anyone. If you ever run into an error, it's usually due to a mismatch in the confirmation field or an old password typed incorrectly, so re-entering carefully often resolves it. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, navigated to your settings, opened security, selected change password, entered your details, and saved the update. You're all set.